Michael, that looks very nice.
Look.
Wow! That is very
What
good.
did you build? Oh, you built a cube. Very
You can do all
nice.
kinds of stuff. I
Yeah,
would guess with that.
yeah.
Oh, do you have a finger now? Of that finger? Yeah. Give me one. With my scissors. We can just...
All of Mommy Clappers.
We'll cut your fingernails on Michael's too. We need to cut later. Even the ones that aren't. Don't put my nails. He's cold? Is he cold? Oh, okay. Shall I put his hat up? The trouble with Elmo is his eyes are on top of his head. So if you put a hat over his head, then he can't see. See? Now he can't see. You'll have to help him. Can you help him into the trolley? Or into the stroller? Now he can see. Hi, Elmo. Hi, Elmo. Hello, Elmo. Elmo has, look, Margaret, Elmo has a backpack. Do you think he's going to school? How old is Elmo? Is he more? Oh, then he's too late to go to school. Hi, Margaret. Elmo says,
What are you building now, Michael?
That's
how
mine.
are you? Happy Christmas to you.